In this video, we will show you how to replace your coolant reservoir cover on this Ford Fusion. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we need to mention is coolant is a chemical. Make sure you have hand and eye protection. Aside from that, make sure that the coolant system is cool to the touch. Otherwise, it could be under pressure. Let's turn this counterclockwise and remove it. Lift it up and away from your face and set it aside. We'll clean and inspect the mounting point, double check to make sure it's not cracked in any way, and we can continue on with the installation of our brand new cap. Go ahead and take this and put it on there, turn it clockwise until it's nice and tight. Okay friend, we fully installed our cap on the vehicle. At this point, you can go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.